Okay, I've been meaning to do this because people have been asking about my fire starters. So I take a cotton ball. Just regular cotton balls. I have a mug warmer. I keep an old candle container. Used to have a candle in it. We don't burn candles anymore because we have a bird. So I have all my old candles with all the different scents. I will take a cotton ball like this. And once the wax has been sitting on the burner, it melts nice and liquidy. I take my cotton ball and an old pair of tweezers, and I push them down into the melted wax, and then I put them on tinfoil to dry. And they end up looking like this. See if I can get that to focus. Then I take Vaseline and I put that into my candle burner, and that's what's melting now. And eventually that melts. And I take my, let me pick one up here. Oh, let me do it with a, so I don't burn myself. I take one of these and I dip that in there. And then I put that up here to dry. And now that will harden because it's soaked up that melted Vaseline. And then all you have to do is store them. I saved an old vitamin container. And that's where I keep them when I go camping. And one of these put underneath some kindling will burn for like 5 minutes or more. They make a nice roaring flame. And I also found that if I wanted to be really, really thrifty, I could do the same thing. You can see them down there at the bottom with dryer lint. I made just a dryer lint ball. Let's see if I can get one out. Dryer lint ball. And then they're not as pretty as cotton balls, but oops. Dipped in wax, spooshed in melted Vaseline, and they burn just as good, if not hotter, than the cotton balls. And there you have it. Perfect little transportable fire starters. I don't care if your wood is even damp or if your ground is wet, you will get a fire going. All right.